To the latest on the controversy over a drag show at a Lancaster County high school this spring. Today, the Hempfield School District released results of its investigation. ABC 27 senior investigator Kendra Nichols has the big takeaways.
Well, some parents were outraged when a picture of a Hempfield School District teacher and 4 people dressed in drag was posted on social media. That picture was taken at a drag show that was held at Hempfield High School. In May, the district told the ABC 27 investigators it was appalled at what took place and did not condone that type of activity in its schools. The district would not confirm the identity of the teacher in the picture, but did say an individual was placed on administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation. That investigation is now done. The district says building administrators were aware of the event and club advisors did get it approved in advance. Principals were in the building when guests arrived for the drag show, and that the guests were screened according to standard procedure, which includes checking the Megan's Law database that tracks registered sex offenders. Also, the district did not pay the performers for this event. The district goes on to say there was a lack of professional judgment in allowing the guests to continue the event as they were dressed inappropriately for a school setting. The district says moving forward, it will tighten internal controls and accountability and make sure student activities are properly supervised by administrators. The district said because of privacy rules, it cannot share whether any employees are facing disciplinary action. With the ABC 27 investigators, I'm Kendra Nichols.